310 bound.
Today, we're heading to Taiwan and we're excited to take you along with us. But before we head to the airport, I wanted to share with you the things we prepared a day before our flight to ensure that this day will be as stress-free as possible. First, check in online. This will save you time by skipping long queues at the airport. Second, register with eTravel. This is required for your arrival in or departure from the Philippines. You can do this via the eGov app or at their website at etravel.com.ph. Third, submit Taiwan's online arrival card. Visit niaspd.immigration.gov.tw and complete the form. Fourth, register for Taiwan's Lucky Land. This tourism program offers a chance to win vouchers for foreign visitors. Register at 5000.taiwan.net.tw. Fifth, prepare your documents. Digitize and save essential documents on your phone, such as Certificate of Employment in case immigration asks for it, online boarding pass, eTravel QR code, Taiwan arrival card, Lucky Land QR code, and lastly, hotel and other booking confirmations. 6. Prepare your pocket money. Load your funds onto a debit card with no foreign transaction fees like GCash Visa card and carry some cash with you in case of emergencies. Lastly, pack your essentials. Double check your belongings to ensure that you don't forget anything. With all of that ready, we're good to go. Let's head to the airport.
Due to different conditions are associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to portable electronic devices, we request that you please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the overhead bins to prevent items from falling off. Pinakikisaban po lamang namin lahat 310 bound for Taipei, Taiwan. Only guests for this flight to Taipei must be on board. If you have
And just like that, we're off to Taiwan. When you arrive at the airport, head straight to immigration where you'll be asked to show your Taiwan online arrival card. Once cleared, proceed to the baggage carousel to collect your luggages. Before heading to your hotel, here are 4 essential things you need to do at the airport. First, play the Taiwan Lucky Land Lottery. As soon as you exit the arrival hall, you'll spot a Lucky Land Lottery kiosk. Head to step 1 and participate in the lottery. This lottery is exclusively for visitors arriving in Taiwan, giving you a chance to win $5,000 in e-vouchers. To join, scan the QR code you received during your online registration. Remember, travelers must register 1 to 7 days before their arrival in Taiwan. Unfortunately, VJ and I weren't lucky this time and didn't win anything. Second, get your money. Just a few steps away from the Lucky Land Lottery kiosk, you'll find the Bank of Taiwan. Here, you can exchange currency or withdraw cash from their ATMs. We recommend withdrawing cash if your debit card has no foreign transaction fees. When withdrawing, always select defer conversion for the best exchange rate. Third, buy an EasyCard. You can purchase an EasyCard at the 7-Eleven convenience store on the ground floor. Right in front of the cashier, we spotted a cart full of EasyCards. The designs are incredibly unique, from beautifully illustrated cards to keychain-style designs. There's something for everyone. I had so much fun sifting through the options to pick my favorite. An EasyCard is a refillable tap-to-pay card used for transportation and shopping. We use ours for buses, metro rides, and convenience stores throughout our trip. We ended up buying keychain-style cards, which is super convenient since we could hook them into our bags or pants while commuting. Don't forget to ask the cashier to load your card. We loaded $500 each, which lasted us the entire trip. Fourth, get Wi-Fi or a SIM card. If you arrive at midnight, you'll notice all Wi-Fi and SIM card kiosks are closed. The earliest kiosk opens around 4:30 a.m., so we waited and grabbed some breakfast from 7-Eleven in the meantime. We rented 4G unlimited Wi-Fi from Klook since they offer the best prices. Once these 4 things are done, you're all set to head to your hotel. The Taoyuan Airport MRT operates from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. If you're like us who arrived at midnight, don't worry, there are hassle-free alternatives. We stayed in Ximending, and if you're heading there too, follow these steps. Exit to the ground floor and find platform 5. We waited around 2 minutes before our bus arrived. Super convenient. Take bus number 1819 heading to Taipei Main Station. Taipei Main Station is the final stop, so there's no risk of missing it. Once there, head to the taxi bay area and grab a taxi to your hotel. Our taxi fare to Ximending was around $130. And that wraps up today's video. We hope this guide makes your transit to Taiwan smooth and stress-free. Our Taiwan adventure is just getting started. Join us in our upcoming episodes as we explore Taiwan's must-visit landmarks, wander through the bustling night markets, chill at cozy cafes, and shop at some of the best destinations in the city. We'll be sharing our favorite food discoveries, hunting down the best photo spots, and showing you hidden gems you won't want to miss. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when our next Taiwan adventure drops. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok at lorelievicsierra and at vjsierra to keep up with our adventures.